Hey, I'm Martin, and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. Energy costs can really add up, so improving efficiency can potentially make a really big difference. So the first one to look at is energy efficient equipment. By investing in more efficient machinery can directly lower your energy bills. And then on top of that, regular maintenance can keep everything running smoothly. And then finally, by streamlining your production processes and optimizing machine times and reducing idle periods can save costs. And potentially also incorporating renewable energy like solar or wind to reduce dependency on traditional energy sources can lower your long-term energy costs. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article on our blog. There you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation journey. Take care.